Hey y'all, I'm Lyndsey with CandleScience. I love working in the garden, and nothing beats the reward of delicious homegrown produce and that fresh, summery smell that comes along with it. So trust me when I tell you, our new fresh-picked cucumber fragrance lives up to its name. True to life and bursting with the ripeness of summer, fresh-picked cucumber welcomes you home with top notes of cucumber and clover. Green leaves, basil, thyme, and honeydew melon add a touch of sweetness and depth in the middle, while earthy moss grounds the scent in the base. Complement the homegrown sensibilities of this fragrance with a natural soy wax candle made with green liquid dye. And what better container option is there than a label-ready mason jar? Top it off with a rustic jelly lid and a label you've customized with Avery for the perfect farmhouse vibe. And don't forget all the bath and body product opportunities. Fresh-picked cucumber soaps, lotions, and scrubs upgrade any washroom into your own private retreat. Give fresh-picked cucumber a try and let us know what you think by leaving a review. Bye, y'all.